Finally, number 10, a ball is thrown vertically down from the edge of a cliff with a speed of 8 meters per second. If I am throwing a ball downward, that means that my velocity initially is going to be negative 8 meters per second because of its direction. How high is the cliff? So we want to know, I'm going to call it delta y just because that's the axis that we're on. Excuse me. If it took 6 seconds, t equals 6 seconds, for the ball to reach the ground. Okay, so we have 3 items, and there's one more item that if you have something thrown, it's understood, which is our acceleration, which is due to gravity, which is going to end up being negative 10 meters per second squared. I'm adding that negative here because that is the direction that it's going. So if I go ahead and put this this piece together, I would have delta y is equal to v sub ot plus 1/2 gt squared. And I do want my change in height. Now, because it wants to know how high the cliff is, it's going to give me a number that is negative. Because if I'm going downward, right, then that would be a negative displacement. So I really want the absolute value of that y. Or you can just go ahead and solve this out and then use the magnitude of it to show how high it is. So I have negative 8 meters per second times 6 seconds plus 1/2 times negative 10 meters per second squared times 6 seconds squared. And so by the time I go ahead and get that whole thing out, the regular value that I'm going to get is negative 228 meters. And so the height of that cliff is going to be the absolute value of that. So it'll just be 228 meters for the height of that cliff.